How to fix Digimon Story Time Stranger crashing on Steam. First you want to go to your library, and then you want to right click on the game, go to properties, and in general tab under launch options you can type -dx11, or you can try -d3d11 to force DirectX 11 if the first option does not work. And then you want to go to the installed files. So if you right click properties, you should see installed files if the game is already installed, and then click on verify the integrity of game files and wait for this process to finish. Now once this is done, you can close out of this and then open up your graphic card application. So for example, NVIDIA, you will need to use NVIDIA app. Then go to the drivers section, and from here make sure to download and install the latest game ready driver. And if you have it already installed, you can hit the reinstall button to manually reinstall it again. Next, you can try disabling overlays. So for example, Steam overlay, by going to Steam button on the top left, click on settings, and then scroll down to interface right here, and then make sure to disable the Steam overlay. I mean, it's actually under the in-game category. You should be able to see enable Steam overlay. Make sure it's unchecked. Same as Discord overlay if you have it already enabled. In Discord, you should go to settings, game overlay, and make sure to turn it off from here. And you can also try to disable NVIDIA overlay by going to settings and then disabling the NVIDIA overlay from here, as overlays most of the time can cause crashes. Next, you will need to restart your computer from the restart button right here. And before opening the game, you should launch Steam as administrator by right-clicking on Steam and then click on Run as admin. And then just hit the play button to launch the game again, and that should fix the crashing issues. Thanks for watching, and subscribe if you find this helpful.